This is Lesson 5 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. This lesson is about speakers. A speaker is used everywhere in electronic circuits to convert electrical currents into sound waves. Generally, the larger the speaker, the more power it can emit. Speakers come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. Speakers are used in radios, TVs, cell phones, computers, communication systems, and more. A picture of a typical speaker is shown at the bottom right hand of the page. This is a small round speaker. Speakers can come in a variety of sizes and shapes. They are generally defined by their wattage and ohm value. On page 5, you see that the Mr. Circuit robot is holding some sort of cone to project and amplify its voice. An electronic speaker is made up of a coil of wire wrapped around the center of a cone that has a magnet in the middle. When electric current flows through the coil of the speaker, the cone moves, causing sound waves. What does a speaker do in a circuit? At the bottom of page 5, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, a speaker converts electrical energy into sound waves. At the middle of the bottom of the page, you will see a typical schematic symbol that is used by engineers and technicians to represent a speaker. The symbol actually looks like a speaker. What do you think the two straight lines on the left of the symbol mean? They represent the two connections on the speaker. Please copy this speaker symbol into the box on the lower right-hand corner of the page. Here are some important things that you have been taught in this lesson. 1. What a speaker does in a circuit. 2. What the schematic symbol is for a speaker. 3. How to spell and pronounce the word speaker. Now to finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot. Remember, when you complete all 30 lessons, you will receive a certificate of completion.